Alright, I'm having the problem with the car not starting again. I came and got in the car and tried to start it, and it didn't start. So now I'm sitting in the car. The car is powered off. I have the key fob here with me. I'm going to put in the clutch, and now the green light lights up that the key is okay. And now I'm going to press the power button one time, and I get lots of lights and things, but I do not get the car starting. So I'll turn down the radio here. So that's the light pattern on the dash. I pushed that power button with the clutch depressed. Now push the power button again. Nothing. The green light is still flashing. And press it again. Nothing. Now I'm going to let my foot off of the clutch. And then I'm going to press the power button. The vehicle powers back down. So, let's see. Just to prove the key's working, I'm going to put the key outside the car on the roof. I'm going to close the door. I'm going to put the clutch back in. But now the key does not recognize. I don't get the green light. Press the power button. And it doesn't think that's very funny. It gives me the flashing yellow light. So, not working. So I am toast at the moment. My vehicle will not start. So, go back, grab the key off the roof, close it again. We'll go put it really close. We'll put it right on top of the start button here. We will push the clutch in, again back to green. Brake is on. Press the start key. Aha! And it just started this time. What did I do differently? That's interesting. Well, that's going to be a fun one. Maybe it's intermittent. Last time I had to pull the fuse to get it to fix. So, car's running. We'll see where it goes from here.